Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. You have permission to change environment variables, and you know the exact folder that holds the executable. Once ready, open PowerShell or command, prompt and run where name or get command name to see current resolution. If nothing returns, make sure you're not mistyping the file name. Now open System Properties, Advanced Environment Variables, and prepare to add or correct the path entry so the shell can find the program. You'll now add or fix the path entry. In Environment Variables, select Path, click Edit, then New and paste the exact folder path. Avoid adding the executable file name itself. Then remove broken or duplicate entries. Use semicolons only if editing raw text. Once saved, close and reopen every terminal so changes take effect. After that, run where name or echo %path% and run the command to confirm the system, locates the executable, and returns the expected path. You finish by testing the fix. Run the tool with its full path to confirm the binary itself works, then run the command by name to confirm path resolution. If it still fails, make sure the file has execute permission, confirm you installed the right 32-bit versus 64-bit version, and check for stray quotes or length limits in path. If needed, reboot to clear session caches. One key tip: use the full executable path to isolate whether the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.